Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Sui coin. So let's waste no more time and get right in today's topic. So as we are going into Tuesday morning, we are starting to see once again a little bit of consolidation and a retracement for some of these altcoins. But you are seeing a few handful of coins within the crypto markets that are still up quite a bit. And once again, once again, you're seeing Sui as one of the top performers, up 8.3%. And once again, it has hit a new monthly high. And again, it shouldn't really be coming as a surprise. We've been talking about Sui's momentum, and the momentum speaks for itself. It's up 25.3% over the past 1 week, and over the last 1 month, it's up a staggering 137%, guys. This is absolute madness. And if you are, diving into the Sui's DeFi sector, I'm sure you guys are noticing that a lot of Sui's protocols are also going up with the momentum that Sui is currently seeing. And I'm already starting to see the community, the crypto community specifically, discussing whether or not Sui could actually battle it out with the likes of Solana. And honestly, you can't say no. You cannot say no. But very interesting. Definitely, of course, some people in the community always are going to come and talk about the circulation supply, compared to the total supply. So as far as the tokenomics go, yes, there are future unlocks. So obviously there are some things that are pros, some are cons. You're never just gonna get pros because that's just not a reality. But a lot of people are interested in Sui's price action and is bringing a lot of eyes to it. But do let me know in the comments what you guys personally think. But looking at the price, $1.89, up once again 9% as mentioned in USD and about 10% in Bitcoin comparative. In terms of ranking, it's currently ranked at the top 25th spot in the cryptocurrency market ranks. Market cap is at $5.2 billion and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 900 million. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're looking at the dominance once again going down. So you haven't seen the dominance picking up traction. So that is something worthwhile noting. But what has happened with Bitcoin, and again, I did indicate this in my update earlier about XRP, we did see Bitcoin obviously saw a little bit of a retracement. We actually saw Bitcoin going down to $62,864. But it's picking up traction again. But as the price is picking up traction, and of course now we're going to face that same exact resistance that we had, coming in our way as the price of Bitcoin was breaking towards the upside. And you guys know the importance of that 64K range. That's the level where I turn bullish. And of course, people are going to come and ask, are you not bullish anymore, Crypto ZX? I still am bullish for the broader market because we're pretty much close to 64K. Obviously, if we drop below 63, then obviously that changes. But in terms of the bigger picture, we need to be taking a look at the bigger picture right now. Of course, the rate cuts have really changed the overall momentum in the crypto space, and a potential rate cut could happen once again in November, and I think that could even play a major role in terms of price going towards the upside for crypto assets. But anyhow, if you're looking at Sui right now, you guys can see this for yourself. This thing has gone completely bonkers. We actually saw Sui hitting $1.92 for the first time since March. Yep, you've heard that correct. And of course, some major resistance coming in the way. We are coming up on another major resistance around $1.97, right below that $2 price point, because of course the $2 is a psychological price level. So I think we might see a little bit of choppy levels around the $1.97. But the amount of momentum that Sui has for itself right now, I would not be surprised if we actually do see a breakout out of that key resistance. And again, if you want to put that into perspective, it's only a move of about 6%. So even if we were to go above to that range, like I said, I might see a little bit of choppiness around that range. But again, I do expect that a breakout to happen, and we're literally away about 17% until a new all-time high is set. You've heard that correct. Things are heating up for Sui very, very fast. And again, just a quick reminder for everyone, if you picked it up on August the 6th, you are up right now 282%, coming up on a 300% gain. So what I would suggest you guys, just a quick tip, is lock some profits in, or at least have some stop losses in place where you are comfortable in case the price were to drop, so your profits are saved. I would totally encourage that. But at the end of the day, everyone has their own way of doing things. But if you are an OG, if you've been in this crypto market over the course of the last 4 to 5 years, and we're here for the last cycle, what this is reminding me of is Phantom, move. If you remember, Phantom went absolute bonkers, and I'm starting to see a very, very similar pattern playing out. And what I also noticed for Sui is that it has, of course, the hype factor attached to it, and on top of that narrative, remember layer ones. Layer ones are, the major catalyst for a lot of these altcoins to be performing well. And if you're looking at the narrative itself, and if you kind of focus on the historic, pattern, even from the last cycle, you're seeing these specific coins, layer ones or layer twos, really gaining a lot of traction. So as far as Sui goes, it's gone up quite a bit. We're retesting some yearly highs, and I think we could break towards a new all-time high. So I think some exciting times are coming for Sui. But with that said, we need to be very cautious. Have some stop losses in place. Do your due diligence as always, and of course, invest what you can afford to lose. Cannot stress that enough. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.